How do you find great product ideas to sell on Amazon here in Australia? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple strategy and a really great product category too to help you find all the products that you would need to sell on Amazon here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure out what to sell on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. What if somebody comes in at, let's say they come in at the very minimum, $250, and then later on they go, okay, well, actually, I wanted to invest more. Is there an opportunity for them to do that? How does that work?
Yeah, if the offer hasn't closed, by all means, there's the opportunity to invest more. That's fine.
What does that mean, the offer closed? Talk us through when an offer would close.
So if you hit the maximum, I understand 750K is now the maximum you want to raise. If you hit that, the offer officially closes.
And then if they miss that, sorry, you missed it.
Exactly, yeah. If you want to raise more, and that's the decision you guys would have to make, you can issue a second tranche, which we've done a couple of times before where we've maxed out offers, but yeah, usually the offer closes when it hits the max.
All right, cool. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.